Imagine, just for fun, that Earth has a giant magic wheel, like a spinner wheel, or a lottery drum attached to its core, and every now and then, it spins and decides which way to rotate. One day, Earth's rotation direction flips from spinning eastward to westward, just like drawing a new direction in a cosmic lottery. What would happen then? Let's dive into this wild thought experiment with the curious mind of a playful kid and the curious scientist head on. First, remember, Earth spins every 24 hours from west to east, making the sun rise in the east and set in the west. If the spin changed direction, day and night would flip. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east. For us, this would be mind-boggling. It's like the whole sky is doing a new dance. But could Earth actually change spin direction? To understand this, we need to know that Earth's spin comes from angular momentum, a fancy physics word meaning the way things keep spinning unless something pushes back. Earth is huge and heavy, and stopping or reversing its spin suddenly would need a gigantic force, almost impossible under natural conditions. But in our magical lottery world, let's pretend something flips the spin anyway. What would happen immediately? The atmosphere, the air around the Earth, is spinning along with it. If Earth suddenly reversed, the air would try to keep moving the old way because of inertia. Like when you're in a car that stops suddenly, but your body keeps going forward. This would cause super powerful winds, thousands of kilometers per hour. Imagine tornadoes and hurricanes multiplied on a global scale, blowing from east to west. In a violent, chaotic storm frenzy, oceans would also react. Because Earth's spin affects ocean currents, big rivers of water moving. The reversal will flip these currents too. Warm currents that keep Europe mild might cool down, and icy currents could move warm water into new places. This shift would disrupt marine life and weather patterns drastically. Fish, whales, and coral reefs would experience climate shocks unlike anything before. Another magical twist comes from Earth's molten core. The churning motion inside Earth creates the magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation. Changing spin direction could interfere with this molten flow, making the magnetic field wobble or weaken. That means more dangerous solar particles might reach Earth's surface, posing challenges to electronics and even living things. But hey, here's the coolest part: humans and all life have adapted over millions of years to the current spin and climate rhythms. Flipping the spin would turn ecosystems upside down, forcing plants, animals, and humans to adapt or move quickly. Migration patterns, seasons, and even night animals' behaviors would have to change. Maybe cactuses used to hot, dry days might struggle if nights got hot instead. Imagine the extraordinary pressure of survival that would spark rapid, unexpected evolution. So what does this tell us? While Earth flipping its spin direction is a wild, almost impossible idea, it helps us see how deeply everything on our planet depends on its steady dance. It shows how interconnected Earth's spinning, the atmosphere, oceans, magnetic field, and life really are. And it sparks wonder: if Earth's spin were just a big lottery wheel, life here will be a trading game of chance, full of surprises, challenges, and new stories to explore. Isn't it amazing how such a silly idea can lead us to understand our world better? Now, next time you see the sunrise, think about the magic of Earth's steady spin, our planet's own lucky spin wheel, turning just right to keep life dancing in harmony.